Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have root 2 to the power of root 2 to the power of root 2 and so on and so forth. An infinite power tower, all with root 2. Now in this power towers, let me just tell you about shortly. Let's say this x to the power of x to the power of x, so on and so forth is equal to k. Then we say x to the power of k is equal to k, then x is equal to k to the power of 1 over k, but it has some restrictions for such an expression to be convergent is equal to k only for k being in between 1 over e and e, the Euler's numbers. Now let me try to solve this problem now. Now this root 2 to the power of root 2 to the power of root 2, let me write again. Here we have root 2 to the power of root 2 to the power of root 2 and so on and so forth. Let me equal this to some number. Let's say k. Then, my friends, this part here is also infinite and it is also root 2 to the power of root 2 to the power of root 2. So this should be also equal to k. Then we will have root 2 to the power of k is equal to k. Now squaring both sides. Let me square both sides. This will give root 2 to the power of 2k is equal to k squared. But this 2k power can be written as root 2 squared to the power of k. This is equal to k squared. So we are left with a famous problem 2 to the power of k is equal to k squared. It's a very famous equation. 2 to the power of x is equal to x squared. The exponential function is equal to polynomial x squared. This has three solutions. I guess all of you know about 2 and 4 and some negative number. Let's write here some negative real, which is in between negative 1 and 0. You may have watched such videos. Now in our problem the answer can also only be 2, since 2 is in between 1 over e and e. Remember, e is approximately 2.718. So the only suitable number here is 2. 4 is not in between these numbers, this 1 over e and e. And negative numbers are not actually possible for this, since these positive numbers to some positive exponents cannot be negative. So the result, the answer here is just 2. So root 2 to the power of root 2 to the power of root 2 and so on and so forth is equal to 2. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.